morning, dear students. How are you? I hope that you are fit and fine at your home. And now, today we will start our new chapter, Learn to Use the Keyboard, in which we will practice different types of keys like alphabet keys, number keys, arrow keys. Special keys include space bar, backspace, enter and caps lock key. So what is keyboard and what are its different types of keys? We will discuss in today's lecture. Beta, have you seen the mobile, Casio and calculator? What is common in between? These all are having keys to work. We type with the help of the keys on mobile. We play music with the help of keys on music. We do calculations with the help of calculator. In the similar way, keyboard also have different type of keys to type on the monitor. Let's discuss one by one. So beta, these are the number keys from 1 to 0. These are alphabet keys, tab, caps lock, shift, space bar, control, alt. These all are special keys. Alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are used to type words, letters and sentences. Number keys 1 to 0. These are used to type numbers. Special keys, space bar. This is used to add space between words, letters or numbers. Backspace key. Backspace key is used to erase the letter from the left of the cursor. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to type the letters in capital form. Beta, again have a look. Number keys, alphabet keys, special keys, space bar, alt, control, shift, enter, backspace. The keyboard is also known as QWERTY keys. Q W E R T Y. QWERTY keyboard. Practical part of the keyboard. First of all, I am typing alphabet keys. Have a look. When I am typing alphabet keys, the alphabets are being typed on my screen. Now I am typing numbers, number keys. Then the numbers will be typed on my monitor. Next, these four are arrow keys: up, down, left, right. Down arrow key, up arrow key, right, left. So I can move my cursor up, down, left and right direction with the help of arrow keys. Next is special keys. First we will take space bar. Space bar is used to give space between the letters, words or sentences. So we can give space with the help of space bar. Next is caps lock. Beta, have a look. As I am typing with lowercase, small letters, but when I click on this button, that is caps lock on, the letters will be typed in capital form. With the help of caps lock key, I can type letters in capital form. Again, clicking on the caps lock, I would able to type in lowercase. Next is enter. To move the cursor to the next line, I press enter key. Enter key is used to move the words or sentences to the next. Next is backspace and delete. These both are used to erase a letter or word. The difference is, if my cursor is on this between 9 and 8 and I am pressing backspace. Backspace means the word is deleted off left of its side.
This is the keyboard.
The keyboard is an important part of a computer.
As you need a pen or pencil to write on a paper, a computer needs a keyboard to type letters or numbers.
Number keys, alphabet keys, space bar key,
Backspace key, control key, caps lock key.
alphabet keys. You type letters by pressing the alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. Number keys are used to type numbers. They are marked with numbers 0 to 9.
Number keys are present at two places on the keyboard. Above the alphabet keys, on the right hand side of the keyboard. This is called the numeric keypad. Do you know? The numeric keypad works only when you press the numlock key and keeps it on. Arrow keys. Have you noticed the 4 keys marked with arrow signs at the right hand side of the keyboard? They are called arrow keys. The 4 keys are called right, left, up and down arrow keys. They are used for moving the cursor on the screen. Keys. Apart from alphabet and number keys, there are some other keys on the keyboard. These keys are called special keys. Let us learn about them.
Space bar.
The space bar key is used to give space between two words.
It is the longest key on the keyboard. Key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. It is also called the return key.
To type capital letters, press the caps lock key. It is present on the left side of the keyboard. Press the caps lock key once A light glows on the top right corner of the keyboard. Now you can type capital letters. Press the caps lock key again. The light goes off and now you can type the small letters. Look, after pressing the caps lock key, you can type the capital letters.
Do you know? Cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor which tells the position of the typed text.
Backspace key. You can erase whatever you have typed by pressing the backspace key. Backspace key erases anything typed on the left side of the cursor. Suppose you have wrongly typed the spelling of the word computer as press the backspace key once to correct your mistake. Keyboard in a touchscreen computer. In a touchscreen computer, tap in an area where you need to enter text. An on-screen keyboard appears. You can use this on-screen keyboard to type just like the keyboard of a computer. You can switch between numbers, letters, and symbols using the special keys.
Okay, if you have any type of the problem in these topics, you can message me. Have a great day.